To participate in yield farming via Trust Wallet, start by understanding the basics of yield farming and the role of Trust Wallet. Yield farming is a way to earn rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized finance protocols. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. First, download and install Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Create a new wallet and set up a strong password and PIN. Make sure to back up your wallet using the seed phrase provided. This will ensure that you can recover your wallet in case you lose access to your device. Next, deposit the cryptocurrency you want to use for yield farming into your Trust Wallet. You can do this by sending funds from another wallet or by purchasing cryptocurrency directly. Within the app, popular options for yield farming include Binance Coin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like Tether or USD Coin. Once you have the necessary funds, navigate to the dApps browser within Trust Wallet. This will allow you to access various decentralized finance protocols that offer yield farming opportunities. Look for protocols that are reputable and have a proven track record of providing returns. Some popular protocols for yield farming include PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and Aave. Each protocol has its own unique features and requirements, so make sure to do your research before getting started. Read reviews, check the protocol's website, and join online communities to learn more about the opportunities and risks involved. When you find a protocol you're interested in, click on it to access the platform. You will be prompted to connect your Trust Wallet to the protocol. This will allow you to interact with the protocol and start yield farming. Follow the instructions provided by the protocol to deposit your funds into a liquidity pool. This is where your cryptocurrency is used to provide liquidity to the protocol. And in return, you earn rewards. The rewards can come in the form of additional cryptocurrency, interest, or other incentives. As you participate in yield farming, make sure to monitor your rewards and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep an eye on the market and be prepared to respond to changes in the protocol or the overall cryptocurrency market. It's also essential to understand the risks involved, including the potential for losses if the market moves against you. To maximize your returns, consider diversifying your portfolio by participating in multiple yield farming protocols. This can help spread out your risk and increase your potential earnings. Additionally, look for protocols that offer compound interest, which can help your rewards grow exponentially over time. Finally, always prioritize security when participating in yield farming. Make sure to keep your Trust Wallet and device secure, and never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully participate in yield farming via Trust Wallet and start earning rewards.